Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. I will show you how to download 12 free premium themes with developer license keys from their official link. Now let's go. Before starting, you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. What we have to do now? We will write here pojo.me. What? We will write here pojo.me. I write here pojo.me, then I will press enter button. When I will press enter button, it will redirect me to pojo.me website. So now I am going to introduce their home page so that you can easily download all these themes free of cost, because I contacted with this company. They talked with me and they announced a giveaway, so I am going to let you know that you download these themes also before the links are expired. They will give us free plugins, Elementor page builder, forms, accessibility, slider, etc. They also these themes also have RTL function. These themes are SEO optimized. You will see how many functions after in these themes are available after installing these themes. These themes are bought by 100k plus members. Now let's go how to download free premium themes. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates like this video. You can see my previous videos to download 75 themes, 17 themes, 85 themes, 80 themes. I made many videos like that. You will see the links of the previous videos in the description, or you can go to my channel directly. Now I click on download now button of Scoop theme. This require email address, first name, last name, means it will move you to a new creation account page. Create an account, then purchase. Click on purchase button. Now I am going to change my email address because I used this email address previously. So I let you know that how to download this. My username is the Beast Studio. Please make sure that your password is strong so no one can hack your account easily. After entering the password, confirm your password again. Click on the terms of use that you agree and get it now. Wait little bit for 10 to 15 seconds because their system is slow. Their website is on faraway server from here. It depends upon your speed and your location. After this, it will redirect me to the checkout page, purchase confirmation page. So I can see my themes here with developer license keys. This now I am redirected to purchase confirmation page. My purchase confirmation page ID is 22431 and payment status complete. These are the license keys. You can see that every theme has a license key in front of it. Now these are the themes. Click on the name, then you will see that these themes are going to download. And I click on LF themes, and LF theme is downloading. The maximum size files theme size will be 3 to 5 MB. I will download another theme for your confirmation that these themes are free of cost on my demand. So go ahead and grab these themes, and this is a big giveaway and you have a good opportunity to download these themes. I click on a scoop theme. Then this is scoop theme license key. After when you will install this theme on your website or your localhost server for practice purpose, then you will insert this key to import demo function and much more features. I will open this theme also. This I downloaded the zip file. Now I am going to open this zip file, so you can see that this is 100% original. Now subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. You will receive further updates when you will press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.